Hey, what's up? Today I want to share my experience with the Kizer Banish. If you're like me, having knives for different occasions, it's a must. In this case, the Banish serves a purpose and has become my favorite EDC knife for when I have to carry something very discreet that doesn't take up space and I can easily hide. All this without sacrificing quality, sharpness, or durability. With a blade length of 2.3 and a handle length of 3.1 inches, you have a compact knife with an overall length of 5.4 inches. I've used it for everything from opening packages to food prep, and it's held its edge beautifully. Plus, the Nitro V steel means it's super corrosion resistant, which is great for those of us who live in humid climates. Now, one thing that I absolutely love is how smoothly this knife operates. The action is smooth, and despite its size, flipping it to open and close it happens with a natural and effortless movement. The handle is another standout feature. In my case, I got the black carbon fiber handles with a deep carry clip. After using the Kizer Banish daily, I can say this is an exceptional EDC knife. So, if you're looking for a discreet, lightweight, yet durable knife, look no further.